You have put in the hours, you know Cinema 4D, and yet somehow your object manager still looks like a crime scene. Your renders are slower than they should be, and you're rebuilding the same lighting setup from scratch on every single project. Not to mention you have a file named Final version 3, but seriously Final for real version 5. We need to talk. Cinema 4D Insider is your behind the scenes look at how pros actually work in Cinema 4D, and it's built specifically for artists who are already comfortable in Cinema 4D and want to work the way the pros do. The hidden shortcuts, the organizational systems that keep massive scenes manageable. The render settings that stop your GPU from sounding like a jet engine just from doing some simple product viz renders. Inside, you'll build a workspace that doesn't fight you every morning, custom layouts, save presets, and navigation shortcuts so you stop hunting through menus like you just installed the software yesterday. You're gonna learn scene organization systems that scale, so whether you're working solo or handing files to a team, everything is exactly where it should be. We're gonna dig into animation, timeline tips, ripple editing, animation layers, and retiming tools that give you way more control with less keyframe wrangling. Then we're gonna go deep on Redshift about material libraries, node editor shortcuts, IPR optimizations, and render settings that will finally make sense because someone's explaining them to you properly. Because I bet half the reason your renders are slow is because of settings you've never ever touched before. You're also going to master the takes system, which allows you to manage dozens of client variations inside a single scene file. Plus file versioning, render tokens, and handoff workflows that make collaborating with a team feel less like a disaster waiting to happen. Now, this isn't going to be how do I learn Cinema 4D. It's all about finding out how much faster and smarter you could already be working in Cinema 4D. So register now for all access and get Cinema 4D Insider and start working in Cinema 4D the way the pros do. I'll see you in the course.